SJ here from MarineMax in Nisswa, Minnesota, and we just got in a 2025 Nautique G25 Super Air. This boat has the PCM ZZ6 inboard motor. It's a 6.2 liter, which gives you 450 horsepower. This has the Nautique surf system, amazing surf wave, lots of subfloor ballast that does not sacrifice any storage room on board. We have a beautiful layout here in the middle. You have a convertible bow filler cushion that will be a full playpen or change to a walk-through. If you remove this cushion here at the front of the bow, you get another little area to walk on and then right off the tip. So this is an awesome walk-through experience. You don't damage your vinyl stepping in and out or get it dirty, keeping the integrity of your boat awesome for years to come. Speaking of years, this is a 2025, which means it is Nautique's 100-year anniversary of boating. They're celebrating by coming out with these Centennial Edition boats. So you're gonna have custom badging throughout this entire boat. You even get a boat owner's welcome kit celebrating 100 years of boating, the 100-year anniversary. So this is a custom gift just for you, just for this year only. They're not gonna do it again in 2026 for 101 years, so take advantage of that. This is an amazing year to get a Nautique. This low profile dash is just gorgeous. It's got a large touchscreen display with a beautiful image on the dash. You have your navigation settings, everything like that, right at the touch of a button, but you also have your helm command here on the right-hand side. This is your dial. You've got your media and your surf wave and your screen navigation with a wireless phone charger. So this is a really nice ergonomic design for the driver. They do not miss anything on this boat. You have a very ergonomically placed seat, and that is a power seat, so it'll move with just a little flip of this switch here, up and down, back and forward. You also have your bolster cushion, and here in the bow you have a really cool walkthrough experience, even with the door. So this is a pocket door. You just click this button, the latch opens, and you can shut the door, and there's a little spot to put your finger so that you can continue to pull it across without having to actually open the windshield to get through. So that's a nice little feature when you're sitting here in the front and you want to get a little bit of like protection from either the wind or the waves. You can shut that, and then it'll keep even the sound of the kids up front out from the rest of the cockpit of the boat. So you have also a nice little trash door here that's lighted, so you can see exactly where your trash bin is, and you don't have to ask anybody else to get up out of their seat to access that. As well as a built-in cooler here in the subfloor. So you have this hatch that opens, it's got a hydraulic arm, and then you have this really cool custom cooler. Open it up and you can see the Nautique branding. So this is custom fit for this boat. You can take it in and out if you want to, but it's just really convenient to have its own spot for the cooler. In the midship, you have two backrests that flip up, and then with the stadium seating, you pull back that center seat, flip it up, and you have everyone in the boat facing the action right off the back when someone's surfing. But you can also convert that really easily back down into social seating so that you have everyone facing each other when you're ready to stop surfing for the day. There are USB and 12-volt charging receptacles in all of these cup holder wells. The cup holders and the mood lights are RGB lighted. We have it on automatically changing right now, but you can pick any color, whatever the vibe is hitting. And then we also have wireless charging in all of these couches too. So they really didn't miss anything on this boat. It is a beautiful, well-equipped boat for sale here in Nisswa, Minnesota. We would love to take you and your family for a test drive out on the water. So give us a call or stop in today on Highway 371 in Nisswa.